How to upload stickers on Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can send stickers in Discord chat. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Discord application and get logged into your Discord account. Then tap onto any chat that you would like to send the stickers. Tap on the messages icon and tap on the emoji icon. Then hop into Stickers tab. There you will see all the stickers that Discord has to offer, but in order to use some stickers, you need to have the Nitro Basic. But just use the stickers that are free, tap onto it to use it. And just like so, this is how you can use some stickers in your Discord. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon in our next upload.